हमारे गांव में लड़कियां इतनी कम क्यों हैं?
अरे वाह मैडम, टेस्ट कराने आप आई हैं और सवाल भी आप ही कर रही हैं। ये सब आप लोगों की वजह से तो होता है।
मतलब?
खैर छोड़िए इन सब बातों को, तीर निशाने पर लगा ही नहीं।
क्या?
लड़की है।
Meet Meera. We are not revealing her face and identity as per her request. Meera is one of those brave and progressive women who support the local administration to catch the criminals who eliminate and remove female fetuses. Though sex determination tests are banned under the Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Prohibition of Sex Selection Act 2003, commonly called the PC-PNDT Act, it continues to thrive in the dark alleys of small towns. Asha is a vigilant whose mission is to bring these culprits to the book. A committed supporter of child rights, she believes in treating both girls and boys equally. She will deliver her second child soon.
मेरी एक 2.5 साल की बेटी है और अगर मेरे को दूसरी भी बेटी होती है तो मैं उसको भी उतना ही प्यार दूंगी जितना मैं अपनी पहली बेटी को देती हूँ। मेरे लिए लड़का और लड़की में कोई फ़र्क नहीं है और मैं उन महिलाओं को भी यही बताना चाहती हूँ कि लड़का लड़की में फ़र्क ना करे।
Haryana has one of the worst sex ratios in the country. To redeem its reputation, it has now taken Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign in a mission mode. In the last 3 years, the state police has booked 590 violators under the PNDT and MTP Act.
हमने इससे पूरे इंटायर 3 साल में मैंने 40 रेड लगाई, टोटल 46 रेड, 34 है हमारी PNDT की और 12 है MTP की। तो जिसमें 36 है उसमें 24 जो रेड हैं वो आउट ऑफ स्टेट है और आउट ऑफ स्टेट सारी हमारी सक्सेसफुल रेड रही।
Initially, the 100 worst affected districts in the country came under the ambit of this scheme, out of which 87 districts had a sex ratio less than 918. 8 districts where the sex ratio was dropping below 918 and 5 districts where the sex ratio was above 918. These 5 districts were chosen to become the harbinger of hope for the rest. The state of Haryana has 12 of the worst affected districts, including Sonipat.
आज भी हमारे देश में 1000 बालक पैदा हो तो उसके सामने 1000 बालिकाएं भी पैदा होनी चाहिए। मैं जरा माताओं से पूछ रहा हूं, अगर बेटी पैदा नहीं होगी तो बहू कहां से लाओगे? अगर बहू पढ़ी लिखी चाहते हैं तो बेटी को भी पढ़ाना ये हमारी जिम्मेवारी बनती है।
The element of education was added to the scheme to ensure its success, though survival of the girl child was the primary objective. The government banned all prenatal diagnostic tests to achieve this objective. Strict punishment under the PNDT Act 1996 was envisaged. All offences under the Act are cognizable, non-bailable and non-compoundable under Section 27. It includes 3 to 5 years jail term and a fine of 15,000 for the spouses, doctor and lab assistant who use ultrasound or ultrasonography for sex determination. But unfortunately, the law failed to deter the culprits, especially in the states of Haryana, Rajasthan and Punjab. The sex ratio in 1951 was 983 per 1,000 males. It reduced to 945 in the next 40 years. Even the PNDT Act failed to stem this fall. In 2001, it fell to 927. In 2011, there were just 918 girls per 1,000 boys.
इंस्टीट्यूशनल, क्योंकि बच्ची को मारना अस्पताल में इज मोर डिफिकल्ट देन किलिंग हर जब दाई पैदा करवाती है, तो इसलिए इंस्टीट्यूशनल डिलीवरीज बिकेम कंपल्सरी। सेकंड, PCPNDT एक्ट में बहुत तगड़ी नज़र रखा गया। आई वांट अ लला लली बोर्ड इन विच कितनी लड़कियां हैं इस गांव में और कितने लड़के।
To implement the scheme at the grassroots, the government mobilized the services of Anganwadi and Asha workers. These workers go door to door and educate pregnant women against such tests and female feticide. This critical campaign is now gaining traction. In 2014, in Sonipat, there were just 830 girls against 1,000 boys. Post Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign in 2015, it rose to 867 girls per 1,000 boys. In 2016, it rose to 902. In 2017, it was 937, and till April 2018, it has touched 947 girls per 1,000 boys. It is believed that these figures will continue to rise in the future. It goes on to prove that any successful implementation of the law needs grassroots support, which happened in this case.
अब ज़्यादातर परिवार पढ़े लिखे हो गए हैं, अब सबकी सोच बदल गई है और बेटी हर जगह सर्विस करती है, किसी भी चीज़ में पीछे नहीं है।
बेटी पाल्या बेटे पाछे देखा हम तो यो होना चाहिए। देख हाँ यह तक होना आता कोशिश तो पूरी करे रहे हैं।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently praised the state's efforts in checking female feticide. According to him, Haryana has produced distinguished farmers, businessmen and brave soldiers. In such a distinguished state, female feticide cannot exist. Haryana has taken efforts to ensure female feticide does not happen. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is a harbinger of hope not just for Haryana but for the entire country. Anu Diwan's report from Sonipat in Haryana for Rajya Sabha TV.